How to get $100 Temu promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Temu promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working promo code for Temu. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $25 off, 30% off, 50% off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here is the code, you can copy it, then click on Redeem at Temu. You will be directed to the official website of Temu. Now you have to log into your account, make your purchase, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, also you can try out other offers. As in this page, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Just scroll and check. Likewise, you can also try out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo code for Temu. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Temu promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.